Alright, you ready to move? We're going to have to go out that door to the right. Go around the back side of the building, okay?
Alright.
Alright, go. Nice. Good job, good job, good job. Heal up, heal up. Just got me another full med kit.
Nice.
Got the SMG suppressor off this guy. Oh, these is the SKS guy and everything. Alright, we gotta go. Oh, eyes on a guy. Out in the field, out in the field, out in the field. Nice, good job, good job. Heal up, heal up, heal up. He's right there, he's right there.
Uh-oh.
We're good, we're good. Just hang on. Alright, heal. That's right in front of the tree. They're not gonna hit us. Just us versus two.
Hold on.
They're both behind that truck. They're both behind that truck. One's left, one's right. Don't peek, don't peek, don't peek. Ooh, good job.
They're both behind the truck?
Yeah. Oh, I got him with a molly. His teammate's dead. Yes! Right there, right there. Watch out, watch out. Good job.
Bullshit.
Good throw. That was a good throw. We're gonna have to push him. We're gonna have to push him. Ready? Go.
Shit.
Yes!
Boom, baby.